Hey, welcome back to Sewing from Scratch, or welcome if you're new. I'm Kate, and this is where I teach you everything I know about sewing, and we learn more together along the way. Today I'm joining up with Crafty Leanie and the Mug Life DIY for their Minnie and Mickey Christmas DIY challenge. This is a playlist that anyone can join, and I'll have it linked in the description box for you to check out after the end of my video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm upcycling this skirt I made for my daughter's 3rd birthday. She just really never wears it. I think it's because it's literally just a rectangle with one seam in the back and then the bottom ruffle. So it's very straight and not super comfortable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pair of Coachella shorts using my Coachella shorts pattern from Striped Swallow Designs. I think they'd be really cute as bloomers under a dress or as a gift, which is where the Christmas part comes in. So I do have some additional black fabric that I'm going to need to use for these shorts. I'm going to get to seam ripping. It shouldn't take too long because it's just the back seam and ruffle. I'm going to leave the hem intact because I might use it for trim. I'll also need to remove the elastic. So let's go. All right, so I have my pattern pieces, my two back shorts. I was able to get the back short pieces out of the Minnie Mouse fabric. It took some Tetrising and I had to trim a little bit off there. I would rather do that because look at how small the front pieces are. I didn't want to just have that little piece of Minnie Mouse. So the back wraps around the front, and so you'll see mostly Minnie Mouse in the front too. And then the waistband, and yeah, the two front pieces I did in black linen. For 2 reasons, that's just what I grabbed first, and secondly, it feels the most like the quilting cotton. So, time to sew it up.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide.
undiscovered, didn't care for one another. You and I thought I was okay, till something in me changed. Don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time. Somehow you intruded, lost in your illusions. I was fine. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Undiscovered, didn't care for one another. You and I thought I lost my way, but you washed out all the gray. Don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. In the end, something more than friends. In the end, something more than friends. In the end, something more than friends.
Me in the mood. It feels like I'm about to get screwed. My heart is easily misled.
Alright, so here is how they turned out. Super cute. The trim, I mean, I know it doesn't exactly match, but it gets the job done. And it's unfortunate I had to use black on the front, but honestly, I think it adds a nice little element of detail, and it makes sure that you can really see the trim. So overall, I am happy with these. They are super cute, and I'm sure my girl will wear them more than she ever wore that skirt. So make sure you check out the rest of the videos in this playlist. I'll have it linked in the description box below, as well as the pattern I used for this make. And thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you subscribe and like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
Whispers behind my back, talk it up, trash my name. I don't feel ashamed.